VSNOON laptop backpack for women are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best VSNOON laptop backpack brands to assist you in marking a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Nylon backpack purse for women holds up to a 15.6 inches laptop multi-pockets with USB port, special safe phone pocket on the back, trolley sleeve with an anti-theft pocket on the back. Protect your valuable items from thieves. You can place your phone in the pocket when charging. Dimensions: 16 liters 12H 7.5, weight 1.83 pounds. Product highlights: comfortable and durable. Made of thick and soft padding, elegant huge opening design. The women's laptop backpack's main pocket is made with a large opening for simple organization and quick access to essentials. Elegant huge opening design. The women's laptop backpack's main pocket is made with a large opening for simple organization and quick access to essentials. The laptop backpack is a useful present for women thanks to the well-made embroidery on the front pocket. Sized 17 Zone 1. 8x7, 5. This laptop bag for women has plenty of pockets, including a front pocket, 2 outside water bottle pockets, a large main compartment, 5 internal pockets, and enough storage space for all of your necessities. USB charging port. When using the travel bag, you may charge your power bank by plugging it into the USB charging port on the side of the computer backpack. It makes traveling more convenient. Product highlights: the laptop backpack offers plenty of pockets and storage space, plus a separate laptop compartment that can handle a 15.6 inches laptop and an iPad. The anti-theft backpack offers a sizable packing section with plenty of capacity for daily essentials and computing gadgets. The laptop backpack is composed of tear-resistant high-density nylon and polyester, making it durable and waterproof inside and out. It has a front compartment with several pockets, an anti-theft pocket on the back, and 2 water bottle pockets on the side. The backpack's inner and outer sections are sewn together using painted thread, which gives your belongings physical protection and can serve as an absolute protective measure. The laptop backpack has many divider pockets and a large capacity of 12 liters x 16H x 7. 5D, a 15 inches laptop, an iPad, a phone, a water bottle, an umbrella, readers, a journal, a magazine, some clothes, pens, and a wallet, for example. Anti-theft design includes a compartment on the back and a laptop bag with a set password lock. Your valuable items are assured to be protected within. When you are traveling or waiting in line, you don't need to worry about thieves taking your backpack. Simply. Product highlights: spacious backpack with anti-theft zipper and back and steel frame of the main compartment keep the perfect shape of the bag and durable of use. Multi-function backpack has 2 front pockets, 4 inner small pockets, 2 outside pockets, 1 main pocket, 1 laptop compartment with padded for 15.6 inches laptop, 1 iPad pocket, and 1 interior zipper pocket. Convenient USB port design. The college backpack with built-in USB ports has a padded back panel and shoulder straps. It is very convenient to charge your electronic gadgets by connecting your own power bank thanks to the USB charger cable design and power bank compartment inside. Large laptop backpack, 11, 4x7x 15.7, capacity 20 liters. Durable, water-resistant, and environmentally friendly materials, sturdy metal zipper. Stylish work travel design, can accommodate everything you need. Women laptop backpack, college women backpack, teacher backpack, school backpack, backpack purse for women, work laptop back. The base. Stop digging. The main compartment's steel frame and reinforced edges preserve the bag in excellent condition and make it sturdy, with a 7.8 wide opening. 8 wide opening.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.